Understanding Research Ethics, a Beginner's Guide. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we'll explore the topic of research ethics. This concept is vital in the academic and scientific world, and understanding it will enrich your English vocabulary and comprehension. So, let's dive in and learn about the principles that guide ethical research. Research ethics refer to the moral principles and guidelines that govern how research is conducted. It ensures that research is carried out responsibly, respecting both the subjects involved and the scientific community. Key aspects include honesty, integrity, and accountability. Understanding these terms is crucial for comprehending the broader concept. Two major pillars of research ethics are consent and confidentiality. Consent means getting permission from people involved in the research, ensuring they know what the research is about and agreeing to participate. Confidentiality is about keeping personal information private. It's essential to understand these concepts, as they are fundamental in ethical research practices. Plagiarism, or using someone else's work without proper acknowledgement, is a significant ethical violation in research. It's crucial to understand the importance of originality and giving credit where it's due. Learning about plagiarism will help you recognize the value of intellectual property. Institutional review boards, or IRBs, play a key role in maintaining research ethics. They review research proposals to ensure ethical standards are met. Understanding the role of IRBs highlights the checks and balances in research processes. To deepen our understanding, let's explore some case studies. These real-life examples will illustrate how ethical guidelines are applied in various research scenarios. This section aims to provide practical insights into the application of research ethics. I hope this video has helped you understand the basics of research ethics. Remember, these principles are essential for conducting responsible and credible research. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more insights into the fascinating world of English language learning.